Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you what are the Python while loops and their explanation. Let's go for this. So here are these while loops conditions. Python. So here in these sections we will define I variable which hold this value, that means initialize the variable I with the value is 1 while I is less than 5, then print the current value of I. Increment the value by I1 using by I plus equal 1 statement. Repeat steps 3, 4 until the condition I is less than 5 becomes false. When it false, then it will stop, then print all these sections from 1 to 4. Now the break statement. So what is this? The break statement is used in Python to exit a loop prematurely, regardless of the loop's conditions. In this example, I becomes equal to 3. I becomes equal to 3. The break statement execute and the loop is terminated immediately. Immediately it has been terminated and the print section will be print from 1 to 3. See, 1, 2, 3 it is printed. Here we have hold this 3. If we when we checking for the 4, then the step is break and print until 3. Now the condition now the continue statement. It is used in Python to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for the current iteration and move on to the next iteration. In this example, when I is equal to 3, I is equal to 3 and the continue statement is execute. It is execute and the remaining code inside the loop for that iteration is skipped. As you can see, when I is equal to 3, the continue statement is triggered and the print statement is skipped for that iteration. The loop then continue with the next iteration until 6. So it will print it 1 to 6, but it will not print it I is equal to 3. The condition is true. Now the else statement. So else statement, the else clause in a while loop is executed when the loop a condition becomes false. In this example, the else block will be executed after while loop has completed its iteration. So in this scenario, while loop iterations while I is less than 6. I is less than 6. When I is no longer less than 6, the else block is executed and the message yes, I is no longer less than 6. See, the message will show. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.